Hello everybody, how are you? Today we will start Unit 3. What will they think of next? Lesson 1, page 34 and 35. Today we will listen and discuss an article called What May Happen in the Next 100 Years, making predictions about what life would be like in the year 2001. We will ask and answer some questions about the text, and we also determine or identify some new vocabulary. At first, let's discuss this question. What things that we take for granted today did people not have 100 years ago? Excellent. A lot of development and improvement in technology, for example, internet, cell phone, excellent, and also in transportation, for example, subways, rockets, airplanes. Very good. Now let's listen carefully to the paragraphs and then we will determine the new vocabulary. Listen carefully, please.
In 1900, a popular American magazine called Ladies' Home Journal published an article called What May Happen in the Next 100 Years, making predictions about what life would be like in the year 2001. Read and discuss the predictions. People will be taller by 1 to 2 inches. This increase in height will be a result of better health due to improvements in medicine, sanitation, and diet. The average life expectancy will have risen from the current age of 35 to the age of 50.
Okay, what's the meaning of sanitation? Excellent. Health system. And what's the meaning of expectancy? It's a noun from the verb expect. Expect. Very good. Now, we will listen to the next paragraph. It's about language.
Language. There will be no C, X, or Q in the English alphabet, as these letters will have been determined to be unnecessary. Spelling by sound will have been adopted. English will have become a language of condensed words. English will also be more extensively spoken than any other language. Russian will rank second.
Okay. What's the meaning of determinate? Excellent. Decided. Decided. Condensed. Shortened. Extensively. Extensively. Covering a wide area. Rank. Position. Okay. What about transportation?
Transportation. Cars will be cheaper than horses are today. Automobiles will have been substituted for every horse vehicle now known. A 1-pound motor in one of these vehicles will do the work of a pair of horses or more. There will be airships, but they will not successfully compete with cars and ships for passenger or freight traffic. They will be used mainly by the military.
What's the meaning of substitute? Excellent. Replaced. Replaced. Military. Army. Military. Army. The next paragraph is about traffic.
Traffic. There will be no traffic on the streets of large cities. All traffic, including subways, cars, and buses, will be either below ground or high above ground. Moving sidewalk stairways will connect them to the street level. The vehicles on the busy underground and overhead streets will have cushioned wheels. Therefore, there will be almost no noise in cities.
Caused. Caused means decreased. Decreased. Okay. Now we will complete the text and listen to the paragraph about media.
Media. Photographs will be telegraphed from any distance. If there is an important event happening halfway around the world, photographs of the event will be published in newspapers an hour later. Deliveries.
Have their prediction about media come true? Of course, because photographs will be telegraphed from any distance in a second. Very good. The next paragraph.
When people make purchases from stores, their purchases will be delivered by tubes, connected from the store to houses. These tubes will also collect, deliver, and transport mail over distances, perhaps for hundreds of miles.
Purchase means buying, and tube means tunnel. Do you think their prediction about deliveries come true? Excellent, of course not. What about the next paragraph? It's the last paragraph about communication.
Communication. Wireless telephone circuits will span the world. A person in New York will easily be able to call someone in China.
Circuits. Circuits. It means path for electric currents. Span. Span, which means extend across. Extend across. Now, are you ready to answer exercise number A? It's about vocabulary. Match each word to its definition. Circuits. Circuits. Excellent. Number E. Path for electrical currents. Number 2. Condensed. Condensed. Number P. Shortened. Determinate. Determinate. Very good. Number F. Decided. Extensively. Extensively. C. Covering a wide range or area. Rank. Rank. Very good. Position in an ordered group. The last word is span. Extend across. Span. Extend across. All of you write the answers. Okay. The next exercise, exercise B, it's about comprehension. Number 1, what was the average life expectancy in 1900? The average life expectancy in 1900 was 35 years. Number 2, what predictions did the author make about the English language? Have they come true? Of course, yes. He thought there would be no C, X, or Q. Spelling would be by sound. The language would be condensed, and English would be the most widely spoken language. The prediction about English being the most widely spoken language came true. Number 3, what do you think the author was referring to when he uses the term airship? Excellent, airplane. Very good. He was probably thinking about airplanes. Number 4, choose a prediction and give an example of how it has come true. It's an open answer. Automobiles have replaced all horse-drawn vehicles. Number 5, which prediction do you think is the least likely to ever come true and why? I think there will never be tubes connecting houses to a store. This is impossible. Very good. My dear students, take care of yourself and goodbye.